Hello guys, I'm sorry I haven't made a video in a while. Today I'm going to show you how to make a thumbnail and an intro. So for the thumbnail, I use Thumbnail Maker, which is easy for me to use. It's really easy for me because I can select the background from my thumbnail. My personal favorite, I haven't chose yet my personal favorite, but I'll pick this one and add text. I'll say how to make a, and this will so I'm gonna put this one. Add an icon. I don't know how to do that. Oh, yeah, sure. I never found out about this, but I guess you guys can do that if you guys want to. So I just learned about this and I just downloaded it, but I've heard my friends say it's the best type of stuff. So I'm gonna do that. And I'm gonna save draft. Yep. Save it. Download JP. Download that. Close. Intro. Oh, no. Honestly, I did the wrong thing. I'm sorry, guys. Oh my god, bro. I'm so stupid. I totally forgot this is how to make an intro and how to make an intro and a nail. I'm so sorry about that, guys. Please forgive me. I'm gonna change that to this one. Okay. Now, I've used Legend many times. I've only used it one time to my video. Okay. So, I think this is for the title. Hi guys. Hopefully I'm spelling it right. Just wait for this to load. Hi guys, this is how to make an intro. This is very easy. It's my favorite type. So I'll pick so you can pick your favorite color. So like you can use this with a, can do that. Watch this. Hi guys. How to make an intro and a thumbnail. That's probably my favorite one. Wait for it to download it. It doesn't have any sound. If you guys want to do it, if a sound, then this is the wrong video to click on. Okay, so photos, gallery, just ones. Got it. Right here. Boom. That's how you make an intro and a thumbnail. Wait, okay, so I'll do a next part. I'll release the video tomorrow. Bye guys, see you, and I don't have an outro. Bye bye.